Imagine holding something that seems undeniably solid in your hand, a weighty sphere, firm and unyielding to the touch. Yet beneath that familiar exterior lies a secret, hidden in the very fabric of existence. What if I told you that everything you think you know about matter is nothing more than an illusion, a beautiful masquerade orchestrated by the principles of quantum physics? At the heart of every object, from the metal sphere in your grasp to the vast mountains surrounding you, exists a tiny universe, an atomic realm where the rules of everyday life simply do not apply. We are accustomed to feeling a tangible solidity, but dive into the quantum world and you will discover that atoms are predominantly empty space. Picture the entire human population condensed within the volume of a sugar cube. The atoms that construct our very beings are mostly void, offering a startling perspective on what it means to exist. For centuries, the iconic image of the atom was likened to a miniature solar system, with electrons orbiting a nucleus in neat, predictable paths. This elegant representation, while charming, is far removed from the truth. The nucleus itself is a compact, densely packed cluster, held together by the powerful, strong nuclear force that defies the repulsion between protons. In a truly staggering analogy, if an atom were as large as a football stadium, its nucleus would be no bigger than a tiny marble resting on the field. The rest of the atom is nothing but vast, haunting emptiness. So where do the electrons reside? Far from fixed points on an orbital track, electrons inhabit regions of probability, clouds that convey the likelihood of finding them in a certain space. This concept, rooted in Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, tells us that electrons do not have definite positions until we attempt to measure them. Instead, they are waves of existence, a shimmering mist that only appears to solidify matter when interacted with. The very forces that repel electron clouds from one another create the sensation that objects are firm and stable. Consider the simple act of sitting in a chair. You might think you are in direct contact with the chair's atoms, but what is really happening is a gentle electromagnetic push between the swirling electron clouds of your body and those of the chair. In essence, you are not resting upon a bed of solid matter, but on an invisible cushion crafted by fundamental forces. This revelation transforms our understanding of matter. Instead of being a collection of tiny solid particles, the world is a dynamic interplay of energies and probabilities, a cosmic dance choreographed by the laws of quantum mechanics. Beyond the scientific facts lies a deeper, almost poetic truth about our existence. The more we understand about the quantum realm, the more we realize that the solidity we experience is a product of interaction, a temporary, yet remarkable organization of energy. Atoms are not rigid entities. They are ephemeral, governed by forces that allow them to exist in a state of perpetual motion and uncertainty. This journey into the core of matter challenges the familiar. It forces us to reconsider the boundaries between the seen and unseen, between what is tangible and what is fleeting. Each particle, each burst of energy, is a reminder that our world is far more mysterious and awe-inspiring than it appears on the surface. With each question we pose about the nature of the universe, we peel back a layer of pretense and glimpse a reality that is stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. Now, as you reflect on the invisible forces that shape everything around you, remember that knowledge is the key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Stay curious. If you want to dive deeper into the quantum realm, hit subscribe.